Hello children, in this video we are going to solve question number 11 of exercise 5.4. Now question is measure and classify each angle. Here one figure is given. In this figure BD is line, point O lies on line BD and ray OA and ray OC start from point O, or we can say that starting point of ray OA and OC is point O. Now from this figure we have to measure these angles. Now first angle is angle AOB. We can measure any angle by using protractor. Now we are going to measure angle AOB. Now in the given figure angle AOB, this one, put this midpoint of the protractor on the vertex of the angle AOB, that is point O, and match this straight line. Now this straight line match with ray OA. Now we observe that this ray OA is on the right side of the midpoint. Therefore, we count from the right side 0. Or in another words, we can say that this right side 0 or inner scale 0 is coinciding with ray OA. Therefore, we count from the inner scale 0. Therefore, 10, 20, 30, 40. Therefore, measure of angle AOB is equal to 40 degree. And if any angle is less than 90 degree, then this angle is called acute angle. Therefore, angle AOB is acute angle. Now next, angle AOC. Now here, angle AOC. Therefore, same method apply here to measure this angle AOC. Put this midpoint on vertex O. Match this straight line of the protractor with ray OA, and this ray OA on the right side of the midpoint. Therefore, we count from the right side 0. Therefore, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Now, this second ray is lies between 120 and 130, and it is exactly on 125. Therefore, the measure of angle AOC is 125 degree. Now, this angle is lies between 90 degree and 180 degree. Therefore, the angle AOC is obtuse angle. Now, next angle BOC. Now here, angle BOC. Now, we put midpoint on vertex O and match this straight line with ray OB. Now, this ray OB on the right side of the midpoint. Therefore, we count from the right side 0. Therefore, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And this second ray is lies between 80 and 90, and it is exactly on 85. Therefore, measure of this angle BOC is 85. Now student, if we observe this angle, it looks like 90 degree or right angle. But if we measure this angle with the help of protractor, actually this angle is 85 degree, that is acute angle. Therefore, angle BOC is acute angle. Now, angle DOC means this angle DOC. Now put this protector on point, this midpoint on point O. Now we have to measure angle DOC. Therefore, we match this straight line with ray DO. Here we match with this DO. Now we observe that this ray DO is on the left side of the midpoint, or we can say that this outer scale 0 coinciding with this ray DO. Therefore, we use outer scale or left side 0. Therefore, we count here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Now this ray is between 90 and 100 and it is exactly on 95. Therefore, measure of this angle is 95. DOC 95. Now, this angle is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Therefore, this angle is obtuse angle. Now, angle DOA. This angle DOA. Now, here we put protector like this on point O. And match this straight line with ray OA. Because we have to count, we have to measure angle AOD or DOA. Now, the baseline or this base arrow is OA. Therefore, we count from this 0. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130 and 140. If you want to measure this angle by using this ray, then you can also measure this angle by using this ray. Look, if you put this midpoint here and this straight line match with ray DO. Now, ray DO on this side, therefore count from this side 0. Or inner scale 0. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130 and 140. By using both the methods, the measure of angle DOA is 140 degree. Therefore, DOA 140 and this 140 means between 90 and 180 degree. Therefore, this angle is obtuse angle. Now last, angle DOB. Angle DOB. Here no need to measure this angle because this is a straight line and measure of straight line or this angle is straight angle. Measure of straight angle is 180 degree. If you want to measure, put this protector here. You count from right side or left side. The measure of this angle is 180 degree. And 180 degree angle is called straight angle. Therefore, measure of this angle is 180 degree and name of this angle is straight angle. Now, I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.